Stop by and take a look at the 2010 F-250 Super Duty. Head-to-head fuel efficiency, head-to-head towing, head-to-head torque. Ford F-250 Super Duty and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 135,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, tow hitch, steering wheel audio controls, power passenger seat, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, auto-dimming rear view mirror, PPO, cruise control. Your new ride is just a phone call away.